Hi, I'm Frank Dolan of All for Sports and Fitness. Hopefully over the last 3 weeks you've been watching the video coaching series, and there's definitely more of those episodes to come. But tonight I just wanted to touch base with you and let you know that we were going to be starting on September 8th a new fitness boot camp. For those of you who have already been in the camp, there's going to be some new things, so I want to make sure I touch on those here. For those of you who have never done a camp, I want to make sure that I get all the questions you may have out in the open. And if there are still some questions, just please email me or call the gym. This fall, I'm really excited about the new camp. We have a lot of new additions that we're going to be adding, a lot of surprises. Some of them I don't really even know where they're going to go, but I know it's going to be very cool. Let me just give you a quick background on the camp. We've been doing this for about 4 years now. It's evolved a ton. It started out as just simple circuits and turned into something to really help people design programs. That was really the goal in the beginning, was to help people that really didn't know what they were doing in the gym. It does serve that purpose, but it's really turned into a lot more than that. Now it's turned into more of a support system, a lot of education. I've actually been teaching some people in the industry how to start their own camps. So it has been very successful. People that have been in the camp, as you've seen some of the testimonials and read them and seen the video clips, people really do love it, and I really hope you listen further in this video, because I want you to definitely give it a shot this September. Now, if you join the camp this time, just like usual, it's going to be 4 classes a week. It's Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and then Saturday. We're actually adding a 5th time slot. There's going to be a 6 a.m., a 7 a.m., 9 a.m., 4:30 p.m., and then a 7:30 p.m. The slot that we're adding is the 7:30 a.m. That's going to be a new slot, and we changed the 5:30 to 4:30. Saturday mornings is always at 8 a.m. We're still going to go to the beach as long as the weather is still nice. We'll be doing that weekly, and that's a real highlight for everybody. During the week, we tend to work more on movement skills for the first half hour, which is basically a lot of the things that you saw in that video coaching series. You know, making sure that you're not just working out and beating yourself up, but you're also doing things to improve movement. You know, the warm-up is not just to get your body warm and just get blood flow going and feel loose. It's more about changing some movement patterns so that you get a lot more out of your workout, and then you're going to feel better too outside the gym. I think that's probably the biggest benefit people see from the camp. Then the second half hour, we work on all the things we need to do strength-wise. So that is to help increase lean muscle tissue, to help tone up, to help increase metabolism. We also give you guys free with the camp an IMED assessment, which after you do the assessment, we figure out where you need to train your heart on your cardio. So you'll have your cardio things to do on your own. We keep you accountable to that through our homework sheets. You're also going to get a functional movement screen. So based on how you score on the screen, we'll be giving you corrective exercise prescription to do at home to help with maybe some nagging pains that you have, or maybe some things that could be potential dangers down the road, that you know, old injuries that really haven't come back but maybe might resurface from training. And you want to make sure if you're engaged in a training program that you're covering those bases and making sure that stuff doesn't affect you once you start to train a little bit harder again. All that stuff you're going to get, plus the bonus website where you'll be able to interact with other campers. That has all the support information on there, the nutrition, a bunch of video clips, things that are going to help you maximize what you do in here in the gym. That support in the outside, that's going to be on the site. Everything is all for $167 for 3 weeks. That's 4 classes a week with the Saturday included. That's $167 if you pay for 3 phases in advance, because we do have it as a progressive program. It goes for 3 weeks, then it goes for phase 2 another 3 weeks, and then another 3 weeks for phase 3. All of those included, you get a 10% discount if you want to pay them all in advance. So it's $450 for the total of that. You know, all of that stuff, especially this time around, guys, it's going to be $167. If you don't like it, we give you your money back, and I'm even willing to throw in a couple of months to the gym, because it really is, we've never had anybody want to return their money. Hopefully you take advantage of the deal.